Welcome back to Carver's Kitchen and happy Easter, everybody. We are making chocolate peanut butter eggs today. Here are the ingredients. You can use any other chocolate. We're going to use the semi-sweet. Mix everything but the chocolate and the coconut oil together for the filling. Now you're going to do the chocolate and the coconut oil together in a pan or microwave. Make sure it gets all nice and melted. There we go. Nice creamy texture. And then dip all of the fillings in the chocolate. Drizzle up a little bit of extra on top. Make sure you put them in the fridge or freezer for 30 minutes. If you do the freezer, take them out 15 minutes before you serve them. All right, there you go. Enjoy and happy Easter, everybody.